Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Smart English, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emma.
And I'm Chris. Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful, Chris. The sun is shining, I've got my cup of tea, and I'm full of energy. How about you?
I'm fantastic. Honestly, I'm really excited about today's topic because it's a big one.
It really is. But before we jump in, friends, if you're enjoying our episodes, please hit that like button.
Yes, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to Talk Smart English and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot and keeps you updated with our new lessons.
Exactly. Okay, Chris, are you ready?
Oh, I'm more than ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about one of the biggest challenges for English learners: how to stop translating in your head.
Ah, yes, translating. I remember those days. You hear something in English, and your brain goes, wait, what's that in my language?
Exactly. Then you translate it into your language, then back into English, before answering. It's like a long three-step process.
And honestly, just thinking about it makes me tired.
Me too. And the biggest problem? It's slow.
So true. By the time you've finished translating, the conversation has already moved on.
Right. Someone asks, "How are you?" And while you're busy translating, they're already talking about something else.
Yes, that's why it feels like you're always one step behind. And the second problem? Translations are often wrong.
Exactly. One English word might have many meanings, or your language might not have a perfect match. Word for word translations can sound strange or even incorrect.
So the goal is clear. Stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Yes, imagine a direct road from your brain to your mouth, all in English, no detours.
I like that. Okay, Emma, the big question is, how do we do it?
We have 5 simple and powerful tips to help you start thinking in English. Ready for tip number 1?
Bring it on.
Tip number 1, start small, very small. Begin with single words. Look around you right now. What do you see?
I see my desk, a lamp, and a pen in my hand.
Perfect. Instead of thinking about those objects in your language, just think of the English word: desk, lamp, pen.
Oh, I get it. It's like I'm labeling the world around me in English.
Exactly. Do this for just 5 minutes a day. Chair, table, door, window. The more you do it, the faster your brain builds direct English connections.
That's so simple and powerful. Okay, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2, use pictures. Flashcards are perfect for this. On one side, a picture, for example, a sun. On the other side, the word sun.
So when I see the picture, I immediately think sun in English, not in my language.
Yes, pictures are universal. An apple looks like an apple everywhere. So you're training your brain to connect the image directly with the English word.
That's smart. And you can even make it a game like how many pictures you can name in a minute.
Love that idea. Okay, now for tip number 3. Tip number 3, think in simple sentences.
Sentences? That sounds harder.
Not if you keep it simple. Connect your feelings or actions directly to English. For example, if you feel happy, think, "I am happy."
So instead of translating, I connect the feeling directly to the sentence.
Exactly. Same with "I am tired" or "I am hungry." You can even narrate your actions. "I drink water." "I open the door." I sit down.
That's brilliant. It's like I'm telling the story of my day in English.
Yes, and that constant practice builds natural English thinking.
I love this one. What's next?
Tip number 4. Watch and listen to simple English. Cartoons and kid songs are amazing for this.
Cartoons? That sounds fun.
They're perfect because they're visual and simple. You see a ball on the screen, and the character says, ball. Your brain connects the sound and the image instantly. No time to translate.
That's so clever. And songs work too, right?
Yes, children's songs are full of actions like head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You hear the words and do the actions. It sticks in your memory.
Okay, now I'm curious. What's the final tip?
Tip number 5, be patient.
Patience? That's tough.
I know, but it's important. Thinking in English is like learning to walk. At first you fall, you make mistakes, it feels slow, but every little step is progress.
So if I catch myself translating, I shouldn't say, I'm bad at English.
Exactly. Instead, say, oops, I translated. Let me try again. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes are not failures, they're your teachers.
Wow, that's powerful. Small steps, daily practice, and kindness to ourselves.
Yes, over time, those direct connections get stronger, and thinking in English becomes natural.
Amazing. Okay, let's quickly review. 1. Start with single words. 2. Use pictures and flashcards. 3. Think in simple sentences. 4. Watch cartoons or listen to kids' songs. And 5. Be patient and keep practicing.
Perfect summary, Chris.
Thank you. And thank you, everyone, for listening today. We hope these tips help you stop translating and start thinking in English.
Yes, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Talk Smart English so you never miss an episode.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English too.
And one more thing, look around you right now and write one English word in the comments. Is it a phone? Book? Plant? We can't wait to see your answers.
That will be so much fun. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Keep practicing, stay patient, and remember, you're doing a great job.
See you next time on Talk Smart English. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.